When I'm out bird watching, sometimes I see them eat. This is a blue rock thrush eating a worm. This is my first time to see a bird eat a worm in person. This is a Japanese tit eating larva. Larva is the form of an insect before it becomes an adult. And I guess this one is not going to become an adult. And this is a little egret. It's looking for fish. Got one. Predation. Predation is when one animal eats another animal. The animal doing the eating is the predator, and the animal being eaten is the prey. In this video, we saw a blue rock thrush eating a worm. We saw a Japanese tit eating larva. And we saw a little egret eating fish. That is predation.